Hello students, so in that video we have to see how to create details in our plan. Like simply we are creating one column footings column structure walls here, but no any details are here, like what are the dimensions of it, what is the name of that room, like how to put the text. So in that session we have to see how to create the details in our uh, drawing or in our design. So I can go for level 1. First of all, I want to give dimensions. So for the dimensions of footing, I should go to annotate, and here you can see different types of dimensions are available, just like a line, linear, angular. If you have a circular column, then you can use the this dimension, arc, radius. These kind of dimensions we can use. So taking a line. Suppose from this point to to this point I want to, then it will show the one dimensions. Just like that you can select the dimensions and put as per your requirement. So this is how you can give the dimensions, like in linear, angular, or that kind. Suppose I want to give the dimensions to the wall. This is how we give the dimensions to the column. Just like that you can give the dimensions. So next one is our text. Like if I want to give a text that suppose this is a column, this is a footing, or any kind of text in our drawing, then how you can do. Or if you are giving a name to that building or anything, just go to annotate, text, and here you can see text. So there are two types of text available. First one is wrapping. In that you just need to be click and write whatever you want, just like that. If you want to save the changes, you can save. And next one is non-wrapping. Means in that you have to decide what uh, in what area or in what you can write. So here I can write like that. Just like that you can give the text. Now I want to give the bullets to that text. You can use bullets, numbers, uh, alphabetical orders, like that. Okay, and if I don't want, just do none. As per your requirement, you can drag this text to any other part where you want. If you want to bold the text, you can bold it, italic, or underline, just like that. If you want to increase the height of the text, go to your property panel and just go to the edit type. Here if you want to change the color the text, then go to the color. Here you can go and change the color of your text. If you want to change the height of your text, you can here you can add the height, like here suppose here it is 2.5 height. If you want to change the height, you can also change it. Just like that you can change the text. Now I can show you how to change the color. Suppose I want a blue color, just okay. I want the text height as a 5 If I want to change the text style, I can change from here. Here are a number of text styles are available. By your choice you can put any of the text. Suppose just like that you can put any of the text. You can see the changes are applicable to that. If you want to give the leader to text, just use this one and you can use the leader. Okay, you have different types of leader, arc, this one. Okay, so just like that you can change it by as per your requirement. Suppose I'm taking this one. the text was in the like that. Or if you want the text in middle portion or anything, if you want to check the spelling of the text, you can do this from here. Okay, just like that you can apply the text. Next one, we have to see how to give the tag. Tag means what? If you want to give the tag to that columns, means column 1, column 2, column 3, or footing 1, footing 2, footing 3. Here are tag by category, means you have to put tag of everything like in column, like suppose like that. This is how you can add the tag to that columns by tag by category. Now it was showing the dimensions of the column footing like that. If you want to give tag all, here you need to choose which type of tag you want to give. Suppose like what are the available. Suppose I'm selecting structural column tags. If you want leader, you can on the leader. If you don't want, you can off, and just okay. The tags are applicable to columns. Suppose the column dimensions 450 by 600 like that. Okay, so just like that you can give the tag to columns, footings as per your requirement. Here one another option is material tag. If you want to give a material tag to any material, you can just place this on that. Suppose this is cast in place concrete, so here it is giving her name like that. I want to give enter. Okay, so there is no material on that brick now, hence it was showing like that. Just like that you can give also uh, material tags. You can merge the leaders from here. You can add or remove the host from here. Just like that we can add the text tags to our drawings. Next one, we have to see some more details about the plan or about the our structure. Here you can see there is one option as a keynote. Here you can use three types of keynote, which are like elements, material, and user. So now I am showing you. Look, these three are keynotes types, like for the elements, for the materials, and for the user keynote. If I am selecting for the material, you can here drag it and add. There is one number of the keynote, like it was by default set. You can add any if you want. Suppose there is 011 number of that keynote. So in if you want to add this is set by default software. If you go for that number, you can get more information or more information about that material or for that element. Next one, we have to see material keynote. It is same as like that. Here if you are selecting suppose this is concrete, I'm selecting this one and just okay. If you go for that 0300, then you can understand what the material or what the information about that material. So it is about the keynote. Next one, we have to see if this is one room and I want to give a name to that room. So in Revit there is by default one setting just as a room. Here you can see room. It was create a boundary about your now about your what in that boundary of your room. Now you are selecting this and just place it at that location. Just like that you can place, and here there is no load family, hence not no showing. If you load into the family, here you can add your text of that room or what is the name of that room. Just like that you can create the details of our plan or in our elevation or in our section.